Here we got Kevin. He's been sitting on my hands more recently, a little bit more, which is kind of absolutely lovely because he's got really warm feet. I usually carry him around with when I'm about to put him in the morning. It always meant a lot to me having Kevin be more open to sitting on me, because you normally wouldn't, but it means a lot because he's named after my father, so it always meant a lot to me that you're sociable. He's always interested to see himself as well. You're one of the wisest birds here. He is actually. He is so wise. He's the one bird that I could literally, if I wanted to, leave on his own out in the room for a day and not have any worries about him. Not that I would ever do that. The longest I've really left him in the room is probably about 10-15 minutes. But I have absolutely no fears about leaving you out. And look how, how confident and normally when a bird will sit on my hand and I'm just making a video like this, they will fly off. But I have a feeling that he'd probably just stay here. I got Kermit behind me. He's jealous because he's going to be coming out in a few minutes and he wants to sit on my hand instead. Whenever another bird sits on my hand and he notices, he gets all like, "Oh no, you're mine. You're supposed to only have me on your hand," kind of. But I got to show some love to your grandparents. His feet are so warm. Okay, bud, I'm going to put you in now. I'll have you back out this afternoon, okay? Hope you're all having a lovely day, everybody. Speak to you soon.